Discover now a classic pilot watch with an exquisite dial option. Model 104 STSA-I-MG. Sinn Spezialuhren is celebrating its 60th anniversary. To present our latest innovations in our anniversary year, we're welcoming a special guest who's been a follower of our brand for decades, even when facing sports challenges at -40 degrees in Canada's Yukon Territory. He says about himself that he's fascinated by anything with gears: watches, bicycles, e-bikes, motorcycles, cars and motorhomes. So in other words, toys for big boys. Technology is in his blood. His career began at Porsche. Later, he packaged this passion in expert terminology. As a hired journalist for daily papers at first, the Motor Press in Stuttgart, and for the DPA. For 20 years he's been writing and photographing freelance for, among others, the German wristwatch trade journal Armbanduhren and the Frankfurter Allgemeine Zeitung. He has a personal foible for chronographs and technical innovations. His reports are authentic and hands-on, because he always writes about his own experiences with the product. That's why we appreciate him so much and are thrilled to meet up again with Martin Häußermann.
Dear Martin, a further model for our 60th anniversary, Model 104 with metallic green dial. We've elaborated on a colour here, but taken care that it remains easily readable.
What's the reason to bring colour into play here? Because I already know the watch, but always only in totally classic black and white.
Green is really in right now with customers, and we follow what our customers want. The watch, of course, again has sapphire crystal glass on both sides, is waterproof, 20 bar, and has all the technical specifications we put in our watches.
Okay, so the special features of this watch are now the dial. Is it coated?
It has a metallic finish, you know that from cars.
Oh, I see. Not anodized or something.
No, eloxal coating. It's a metallic coating and therefore shines like one.
That's beautiful. Shimmers a bit too when you hold it at different angles. I really like that.
No, we haven't limited it. You can buy as many of them as you want.
Yes, it's stylish and still faithful to the Sinn gene.
Exactly what we wanted to express with it, exactly.
The classic pilot watch with shimmering metallic green dial. Case made of stainless steel, polished. Captive pilot's bezel with minute ratcheting. Sapphire crystal glass on both sides. Waterproof and pressure resistant to 20 bars. Low pressure resistant.